Hi everyone, and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through migrating your data from Jira to Once. Let's get started. Planning a migration from Jira, your biggest questions are probably, is this tool proven? How long will it really take? And is my data safe? With over 100 successful migrations completed, often in under 2 hours, we've got the experience. Let me show you the exact 4-step process that ensures a complete and predictable migration. But before we jump into Once, you'll need a backup file from your Jira instance. It's straightforward. Just go to the settings, select System, then find Import and Export on the left. Click into Backup System, give your backup a name, and hit Backup. Your Jira instance will then generate the installation package we need. Okay, with that ready, let's start Step 1 in Once. Inside your project, just click Migrate Now. Agree to the terms, sign in, ready to hit Next. Step 2, take that Jira backup package you just created and point Once to it. Paste the path or select the archive and click Analyze. And the system will now parse your data. The time here depends on your file size and will give you a clear progress indicator so you're never left guessing. When it's done, you get a full summary, project and issue counts, members, everything. Verify it and click Next. Step 3, pick which Once team gets the data. Click Next, then choose the specific Jira projects you want to move. Once will do another quick parse to prep the details. Just give it a moment. Okay, here's where things get interesting. This mapping stage, this is where Once really shines. With Jira to Jira migrations, you usually have to pre-create every workflow and field, but not here. See this epic? Map it directly. No matching type. Click Create to add it instantly, or skip if you don't need it. Same goes for fields, statuses, priorities. You choose what to keep, what to map, what to skip. It's migration that actually adapts to your needs, not the other way around. Almost there. Step 4 is your final review. Double check your team, projects, and mappings. Ready? Hit Start Migrate. Now watch those live logs. This is the home stretch. The system is securely moving your data. Just let it run until it hits 100%. When it completes, you'll get that beautiful success message. Refresh your Once workspace, your projects are right there. Go ahead and spot check a few issues, members, and attachments. If anything doesn't look quite right, you can review the migration log for details. And that's the whole process. 4 simple steps from Jira to Once. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions during your migration, we're here to help at support@once.com. Happy migrating!